The automotive industry has always been full of surprises, and 2025 brings us the unexpected return of a legendary name, Premier Padmini. Once a beloved classic on Indian roads, this icon is making a comeback with a modern twist. Today on Acer Showroom, we take an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Premier Padmini and explore what makes it stand out in the contemporary market. A legacy reborn. The Premier Padmini, a household name in India during the 1970s and 80s, was synonymous with elegance and reliability. Known for its timeless design and smooth ride, it was a car that became part of Indian culture. Now, in 2025, the brand is reviving this classic, blending nostalgia with modern automotive technology. But how well does it capture the essence of the original while adapting to today's expectations? Let's find out. Design and exterior. The new Premier Padmini retains its vintage charm while embracing a contemporary design language. The body lines echo the classic model, with rounded edges and a retro grille paying homage to the original. However, modern LED headlights, sleek aerodynamics, and alloy wheels give it a fresh, sophisticated look. Available in a range of vibrant and pastel colors, the new Padmini appeals to both nostalgia seekers and new-age buyers. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of retro aesthetics with modern-day comfort. The classic wooden dashboard makes a comeback, now paired with a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious cabin ensure a luxurious feel while maintaining the essence of the original Padmini. Whether for city commuting or long drives, this car promises a comfortable and stylish experience. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Premier Padmini comes with a fuel-efficient hybrid engine, offering a balance of power and eco-friendliness. Available in both petrol hybrid and an all-electric variant, the car delivers smooth performance while keeping emissions low. With a responsive automatic transmission and improved suspension, the new Padmini provides a refined driving experience, making it ideal for urban roads. Features and technology. Premier has integrated modern technology into this retro-inspired car. Features like AI-assisted voice commands, smartphone connectivity, wireless charging, and advanced safety systems make it a smart choice for today's tech-savvy drivers. The car also includes ADAS advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring a safer drive with features like lane assist, collision warning, and automatic braking. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Premier Padmini is expected to be competitively priced, making it an attractive option in the mid-range segment. With different trim options, buyers can choose between the classic petrol hybrid or the futuristic all-electric model. Bookings are set to open soon, and the car will be available